Hi guys, in this video I will further continue your 360 degree feedback. I have talked about in previous video about overview of your 360 degree feedback, and we have talked about history before. You can view the video for this. We also called our 360 degree feedback a multi-rater assessment method. Why we call it multi-rater assessment method? Because it has multiple people or multiple perspective, like it is from different HR perspective, from your team, from your stakeholder and other people involved in your team. So basically it is used for getting the feedback from your employees and to make the interaction a good interaction, like everyone knows each other, and it also includes a different perspective for improvement of your supervisors or co-workers. So I can say that there is no difference between the multi-rater assessment, or we can say that there is no difference between your multi-rater or 360 degree feedback. Both are same when we are talking about multi-rater or 360 degree feedback. Like when we are talking about 360 degree feedback, it puts your managers at the heart of the performance management. Like the managers, peers, customers, suppliers, colleagues are asked to complete the questionnaires about the employee. So you can see that it has multiple perspectives involved. But you can also see that if you are involving so much people, so it means that everyone from these people need to fill up individual survey, like individual questionnaire about each of the individual employees. So it means that a manager has to fill out about like 50 employees, the team lead has to fill about its own team like 10, and similarly the overall department head will fill up about the manager and all the employees like 100 plus. So it is a kind of different perspective, and it is like getting the opinion from all the other people, and then they calculate the average of that employee, like average rating. Like they say that the employee is 4 plus, the employee is 4.5 plus, and they decide that where the employee will lead toward in the organization. There are some advantages of 360 degree feedback, like it is good for career coaching, it is good for finding out where the employee will go into the future, it is good for like checking about the like the training of the employee, like the department of the employee, and it will also highlight the strength and the weakness, like there will be from many different people, many different sources. So it will help you give you so many points about that employee, where the employee can improve or what is the weakest point. But there are also some disadvantages, as we can see that it has to be from many different people, many different teams, 4, 5, 6 or 7. So it is like a lengthy process, and also you need more time for filling up the questionnaire. Usually the questionnaire are really long and they are large and they include multiple people. So this process can take about a month, or it can even take 3 months or more. Like the performance has to fill by all the different departments or all the different stakeholders. So keep in mind, when you are going for 360 degree feedback or multi-rater feedback, you need time from all the department. Your all time will be involved in. So most of the time I suggest that this should be done in summers, like we have like a little less workload on that. But when all the organization or complex organization, they might don't get the summers. So it is like that it has to be done on multiple time, and we have to arrange the time for it. So this is the very basics of the 360 degree feedback or multi-rater feedback, and we know today that these both are like same. So if anyone asks you about what is multi-rater assessment or 360 degree feedback, you can tell them clearly, straightforwardly. Thank you. Like this video, subscribe and share to all the people.